everyone, welcome to unlockcivil. In today's video, we'll see how to register as a supplier in a few easy steps. So let's get started. Open your browser and type in www.unlockcivil.com. Click on unlockcivil. This is the unlockcivil homepage. On the top right corner, click on Login or Sign Up. Then click on Register as a vendor. Type in your first name, your last name, create a username, enter your email address. Make sure you verify your email first. Only then your mobile number verification will be enabled. After entering your email address, click on Send OTP. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your email address. Enter the OTP. Click on Verify OTP. Now your mobile number verification is enabled. Enter your mobile number. Click on Send OTP again. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on your WhatsApp. Enter the 4-digit OTP and click on Verify OTP. Now your email and mobile number verification has been done. Now you need to create a password. Re-enter the above password. Then click on I agree to the terms of service. But before that, make sure you read the terms of service. Click on it and then click on register. Now your registration is successfully done on unlockcivil. Here you need to enter your username, email ID or phone number to log in. Type your password, then click on Login.
This is the supplier registration page. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the supplier registration page for the first time. Your personal information such as contact name, email, country code, and mobile number will be autofilled. If you have any alternate number or landline number, please provide it. Now comes in the location information. Here what you can do is, if you're present around your business area, you can click on Auto Detect. Your information such as country, state, province, city and postal code will be taken in automatically. And if you're not present around your business area, what you could do is, you need to enter your information manually. For example, country, India, state, Karnataka, city, Bangalore, and your postal code. Your area or locality. Here you'll see the Google Plus code. This is a unique location code given by Google Maps. This helps you find your exact store or office easily. To get your Plus code, just click on the link below. This will take you to Google Maps. If you are present around your business location, click on Current Location icon to get your Plus code. And if you're not present around your business location, you need to search for your business location in the search bar above. Once you get your plus code, you can see it at the bottom. You need to copy the code and paste it on the other page. So this ensures your location is accurate and easy to locate for your buyers. Next, we have the service coverage area. Here you can list the areas where you provide your service or deliver your products. And below is the full address of your business. Next comes the business information. Your business name. Enter your business name like exactly you want it to appear on your profile. And the business type, whether you're a retailer, wholesaler, or a manufacturer. Next, you choose the categories. These are the main product or services you offer. You can select up to 4 categories. For example, if you supply cement, select concrete or cement. If you supply tiles, select flooring and tile suppliers. This is the brands. Now on the right, you choose your brands. These are the major product brands you deal with. Here again, you can select up to 4. If you happen not to find your brand, you can add as local make or generic. Once you have entered your categories and brands, you need to enter your GST number, your VAT number, and your business license number. Once this is complete, your business profile will look more professional and build trust with buyers. Now comes the additional information. This section helps buyers know more about your company and working hours. In the description box, write a short introduction about your company. For example, ABC Company has been delivering quality cement for 15 years, serving builders and contractors across India. Your annual turnover, which is your approximate yearly revenue. Choose the employee range from the drop down as to how many people work in your business. Establishment year of your company. This shows how experienced you are in the market. And for the business hours, select your start day and your end day. Say Monday to Friday. Enter the opening and closing hours of your business. (8 a.m. to 6 p.m.) If you work on weekends, select the weekend day and set timings. Say you work on a Saturday from and 2. Tick the days your business is closed in a week. So this timings ensure that the buyers don't contact you when you are not available. Now for the business documents. In this section, you need to upload your business documents so buyers know that you are a genuine verified vendor. Your company profile. You need to upload your company brochure, which has details about your company. Your GST certificate, and your VAT certificate. Certifications, industry certifications like ISO or quality assurance that adds credibility to your business. Logo and shop images, a clear picture of your store or warehouse. Once all the documents are uploaded, a clear picture of your store or warehouse. If you do not have a store or a warehouse image, you can upload your visiting card image. Once all the documents are uploaded, click on Complete Registration.
Create new product. Watch our product tutorials on our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.